Okay, guys, this evening, or rather, it's past 8 in the night, and I want to start preparation of my soup. Over here, I have fish. Look at the fish that I have. So I want to quickly roast this fish in the oven. Roast it in the oven because it's weekend and the night is basically gonna be long. The kids refuse to watch a movie. Ashley want me to play music and game with him, and Robert is in bed. Immediately after the live stream, he went to bed. So as in, he haven't taken a shower yet. And Aria also went with him, but later Aria came out. She wanted bread and tea, bread and chocolate. Yes, so I make her some chocolate milk with bread. She's currently eating, and maybe Robert is taking a shower. Maybe he has wake up and he's taking a shower. Why did I remove the head? Because I'm talking, so I removed the head of the fish. I wanted to remove the head. I wanted to roast it together. Then I would eat the head of the fish later. Because normally I always throw away the head of fish. But because I'm going to roast it, when you roast it, the head is demonishable, easily demolish. So after I put this in the oven, I'll quickly boil my meat, and then I can go and play game with Ashley. It's gonna be a long night, so Ashley's not gonna sleep right now. At the moment, he's playing piano or watching piano on the TV. I don't know if I can hear the piano. Or maybe he's playing it in his tablet. And the last one. Guess Robert is taking a shower. I can hear the water running down. Said he want to go to bed on time today. So now I'm gonna add salt to it. So let me patch dry it. I'm gonna paper dry it and then add salt to it and There's basically nothing even left on the head. The head is cleaned up also. All of this were waste. This could have eaten that. Okay. Now let's soften it up and then put it in the oven to dry. Ready? So let's put it in the oven. Now look at that. It's in the oven. Look at that.